Alrighty, so here's another super interesting list that performed decently over the last few days. So it's basically a blue-green version of Freed from the Real. So Freed from the Real is an aura, enchant creature. It says pay 1 blue, tap or untap enchanted creature. So the idea is that we play it with one of the Ravnica bounce lands, which can tap for 2 mana. We cast Wind Zendikon, which is 1 blue for an aura. It says enchanted land is a 2/2 blue elemental creature with flying. We put that on the Simic growth chamber so that when we enchant it with Freed from the Real as well, we can tap, add 2 mana, pay the 1 blue to untap it, and repeat that process infinitely, netting infinite blue mana or infinite green mana in this case, to hopefully do some cool things with. And then how we can win from there is by putting either Fertile Ground or Gift of Paradise onto that land as well. So Fertile Ground, 2 mana for an aura. Whenever enchanted land is tapped for mana, its controller adds an additional 1 mana of any color. And then Gift of Paradise, similar, 3 mana for an aura. When it enters the battlefield, you gain 3 life. And enchanted land has tap, add 2 mana of any color. So if we have that on the land as well, we can produce infinite mana of any color, which we can then use this spell, Arcane Teachings, 3 mana for an aura. Enchanted creature gets +2/+2 and has tap. This creature deals 1 damage to any target. So we can play this on the creature, add infinite blue mana, tap this, deal 1 damage, untap it, tap it, deal damage, repeat that infinitely. And what's cool is that one of our main ways of searching for Freed from the Real is Drift of Phantasms, 3 for a 0/5, Defender Flying Transmute, so you can discard it to search your library for a card with the same mana value and put it into your hand. And so we can search for Freed from the Real. We can also search for Arcane Teachings or Gift of Paradise, which is pretty cool, or Breath Weapon, 3 mana, instant, deal 2 damage to each non-dragon creature. Or Thirst for Meaning, I suppose. 3 mana for an instant, draw 3 cards, then discard 2 cards unless you discard an enchantment. Or Trinket Mage. So 3 for a 2/2, when it enters, you may search your library for an artifact with mana value 1 or less, put it into your hand. So then the rest of the deck, basically artifacts, we can tutor with the Trinket Mage, we have Fire and Ice, we have Preordain, and we have Commune with Spirits, which is cool in this deck because it searches for basically either any piece of our combo, because it's 1 green for a sorcery. Look at the top 4 cards of your library. You may reveal an enchantment or land from among them, put it into your hand. Alrighty, so I guess I will leave it there. As always, if you have suggestions, please let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.